Hey, yo, web travelers, chainsawman. You know enough now. Let's just open it. This looks kind of cool. I already opened the first box, which was quite good, quite interesting to open. So that's their second set. I'm interested to see if they learned from their mistakes. And we have one special, guaranteed hit. That's what they are. But let's see first what the normal pack gives you. It gives you only 3 cards. I can't remember how many cards you got at the other one. I think also 3. And we have an SSR, which looks, I mean, alright, it's okay, it is what it is. Holy moly, got the moly, alright. Interesting back, I like that, I respect that. I don't care very much about backs, but I respect that. And ooh, you can feel the texture a little bit. Just ignore the fact that I said ooh when I touched her boobs. And oh my god, what the fuck? Okay, we have also like different colors at the back, depending on the rarity. This one is thick in real life, but also at the card that it shows me. It's even got the forbidden words that I cannot say out loud there. Holy shit, man! I'm gonna frame this card in my room for no reason particularly. Holy, okay. I'm not gonna display this just in case, whatever that means. That card looks awesome. I can't wait what else. That's cute. They improved on what they had. Yeah, definitely. I mean, look at this ultra rare, man. Look at this power. Look at this power. Okay, forget what I said just a second ago. What the fuck is this? Okay, first of all, it's not glossy. It's just like a usual paper. So, even the backside is like paper. Very distinguished art style. Cool. Let's see what the hit pack contains. The fuck is this? Dude, how thick can you make these cards? And what for freaking reason? It's even numbered, which isn't saying anything. I don't know if every pack in this box contains a number card, like the special pack. That's first of all. Second of all, what am I looking at? First, I thought it was metal. I don't know if that's supposed to look like crap. Also, you know, all the scratches and shit. Or it's just a very bad executed card. I think the scratches enhance this card in some way. So maybe it is intentional. Man, this thickness. Holy shit. Okay, let's see what else. What else? Is this Makima? I think it is, with short hair. Yeah, it's Makima. It's freaking stupid me. It's even... Did the other one also have that? Yeah, they all have their names there. I'm just stupid. Okay, that's kind of cool. Hey, yo, Jojo. What's up, man? You want to see some boobs? Here. You want to see it? Don't lick the light, please. Thank you. He just smelled Makima and went like, oh, fuck no. Alright, a nice ultra rare, we established that. That's very good, that's very nice. What the fuck? It's upside down, first of all. Second of all, very nice art. And then very interesting execution of a card. I haven't seen this in that way before. And then we, for no reason I guess, but the bottom line is see-through, and then you can see her shirt. Alright. I don't know why you will do that. It's kind of cool. It's unique. Interesting. Okay, this box, man, what the hell? Every pack so far has something unique in it. I love those kind of boxes. At that point, it doesn't matter to me if they're thick or not, although I prefer the usual cards. Power with a cat is always a good card. Always a good card to get. That's a double, right? No, it isn't. I had another Power Booba card. Power in the bikini is also always a good card to get. Hey, we have this card again. I mean, this design, that's what I meant. And yeah, you just can see the legs. A lot of power, I like it. Power is kind of cute. Ooh, man. Oh, every ultra rare has every ultra rare has a Pochita somewhere, and this one is a burger. But look at those burgers, god damn, man. All right, the tradition continues. Cool, nice art. They're looking happy. Okay, Kobeni with a knife. That's a good quality. This looks amazing. Alright, and we have a very distinguished art style. Kinda cool. It looks like a painting from, you know, way back in time. I love that. We have Kobeni again. Oh, there's something thick. There's something thick. Oh, that's not Kobeni, sorry, my bad. There's Reese. Large boobas, which is always good to get, like I said. Holy shit, that's also EX. It is damaged, but that's not what I wanted to say. It is not the same vibes as I got from the other one. Like the first one. This one is woo! And this one is little less woo! But it's still woo! So also isn't it Gwen from Spider-Man? I don't know, man. I haven't read the manga yet. So I don't know if it's a Chainsawman character, but it looks like Gwen from Spider-Man. Anywho, still a nice card. We have 3 packs to go. Let's move on. Yes, Mikima, very cool, very nice. We have, ooh, that's an interesting one. Okay, and I love this one. I very love this one. Such a nice art, awesome. Ooh, that's a nice SSR. I love the colors. And also boobas. That's okay. Who the fuck are you? I don't know. But I love it. They're boobas. Hey, we have a SP again. Cool, alright. Nice. And the last pack. Let's see what it contains. It contains an SSR. An ultra rare without boobas, but it's still a good one. And another EX. But we went from the most horny EX to the least horny EX, which is kind of shameful, because I expected them all to be mega horny. So guys, thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think about this box and how horny you are at the moment. And I will see you in another one, Web Travelers. See ya!